Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. If you didn't watch part 1, you might want to watch it. We're making slots for a welder guy that's going to cut slots in a plate for spinning and bolting. But I started thinking these slots are kind of long, and if you didn't want them that long but you wanted more of them, you can go to the width, and we're going to set it on a 1/2 inch like we did before. But then we're actually going to move this out of the way so we can see what's going on. And we're going to use a different dot this time. We're actually going to use one that like that. But we're going to do rounded corners and hit OK. Now we've got some little ones and big ones. We want that size right there. We like that size. So I'm going to go to Object, convert it to an object, left click, right click, go up to Object and break curve apart. And what that did, now they're individually, so I can select that one, select these and get rid of them. I'm going to take an indexing line and hit P and put it in the center of the page. Bring one down, put P, so put it in the center of the page. Control D and make a duplicate of that guy, and then move the rotation to the center. Doesn't look like it's in the center sometimes, so you'll double check it, and it is. And then just rotate it till you get something that's divisible by 360. So 30, let's do 40. And then Control D and make a duplicate, and let's do it 80 this time. Control D, and you could do this with the rotation. But now you have, and they actually look like they're not round, but if we take a circle and hit P, you can see they are. So you can vary the size of that slot to whatever you want. You don't have to use what's given to you in the line tool or the dotted lines. Just an idea. Maybe it'll help some of you draw something at one point. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.